To write in circle in Canva, you want to open your design document. I have mine open and we are going to go into the text tab here and click on add a text box. I'll paste in my text. Now that we have our text in this text box, to turn it into a circle, let's go over to effects and come down here and you would see this curve here on the shape. Let's click on curve. You see a circle begins to form. If we take the curve down to 100 here, it forms into a circle. But you see I right up there, quite sure. Well, so you want to use this slider to measure how your text will come into becoming a circle. To even get this better, let me duplicate this text box and take it up. Let's take it back to 0 and let's come into this text and duplicate it and bring this one underneath it, and let's clean out this text. You want to come to the first one, take the slider here, let's pull that up and let's click on the second one and take it this way. Let's bring this down and take the slider further up. We can spread this further. You see how our text came together.